the additional features and options that you should consider for the new windows on your home, now that low E and argon gas have pretty well become a standard feature for most windows, where it used to be an optional upgrade. Now those are all standard features and options, but there's still several other things to consider. One would be reinforcement in the frame. So if we're looking at a vinyl window option, I would highly recommend steel reinforcement throughout the frame to give that window more strength, more durability when there's some shifting in the house itself, to give those windows strength to hold their trueness and their shape so that the window operates smoothly. Another thing would be screen upgrades. So are we looking at just a standard screen, or do we want a screen that has high visibility and you're not necessarily just looking through a mesh black wall? Those are something that are fun to look through, as well as hardware colors. Maybe you don't want just white hardware. Maybe we want to look at black hardware or gold hardware. So there's a lot of cool little features with Windows, both kind of in the tech and the science side of it, as well as the design features. So those are all things that we like to talk through throughout your consultation to make sure that we're honing in on exactly what you want for your home.